Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Okay, I'm asked to add these two fractions, okay? Alright, so what I have to check first is the denominators, right? To make sure they are the same. And looking at these denominators, or the bottom numbers, they are the same. Alright, so it shouldn't be too hard. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna copy one of the denominators, which in this case is a 9, and I'll just combine the top. 3 plus 1, right? 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4. And of course, the denominator we know is 9. So the answer for this question right here is what? Is 4 over 9. Oh, so all I had to do was just pick the denominators. Since they were the same, I just copied 1, and I just combined the top. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is not bad. Let's check the other one. Let's see. Alright. So this one also, I'm subtracting fractions. So adding and subtracting, same rule. I'm just going to have to check the bottom numbers or the denominators to make sure they are the same. They are the same. So I copy one of them down. And I just combine the top. 3 minus 1. And what is 3 minus 1? It's 2. So it's 2 over 9. That will be the answer.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.